Troubleshooting a loose installation when your car seat has a tensioning arm or panel. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a CPST. Please always read and follow your car seat and vehicle manual's instructions. A tension arm or panel offers an easy and secure installation with the vehicle seatbelt. No digging for lower anchor bars, no worrying about lower anchor weight limits. Simply weave the belt through the path, pull it tight, close the panel, lock the belt, and you're done with a nice solid installation. If your seat has a mechanism like this, why might it be loose? Examples of seats with this type of mechanism include the even flow lock strong arm found on the Revolve 360 and Revolve 180 LightMax Next car seats, the Cybex Safe Lock found on the Callisto G360, and the True Tension door found on the Nuno Rava, Rev Exec, and Lumen. The Britax Click-Tight has a similar mechanism with that large Click-Tight panel, but it is a lock-off that does not require you to switch the retractor to locking mode afterward. Always read and follow your manual's instructions carefully. So if it's that easy, why might it be loose? The most common culprit is misrouting the seat belt. If you bypass the belt path and don't weave it through the belt path and just put the belt straight over the car seat or base, you're not going to achieve a secure installation this way. Even after the panel is closed, you will find it still comes loose. Another really common way the belt might be misrouted is to have only the lap portion of the seat belt going through the car seat or base and leaving the shoulder belt out. That will also result in a loose installation and immense difficulty removing the seat or base from the vehicle. Pro tip: if you have misrouted the seat belt on your car seat or base and you can't get it out of the vehicle, take your car to a local mechanic or dealer and have them unlock the retractor by getting into the wall of the vehicle or the seat back so that you can loosen the seat belt enough to get the seat or base out. If you cut your seat belt or damage your seat or base to get it out of the vehicle because you misrouted the belt, don't expect the car seat manufacturer to reimburse you for it because it's not their fault that you didn't read the instructions. Aside from misrouting the belt, leaving the lap belt loose before you close the panel can also lead to a loose installation. Even though the shoulder belt here appears tight and snug, the lap belt is still loose. So when you close the arm or panel, you'll find your installation is still loose as well. Get both the lap and shoulder portions snug before closing the panel or arm to tighten the installation. And remember, because that tension arm or panel is a tensioner, not a lock-off, your car seat's manual will direct you to switch the retractor to locking mode afterward. If you skip that step, your seat or base may also loosen. I hope that information helps somebody out today. Always read and follow your car seat and vehicle manual's instructions and get help from a CPST if you have questions.